Good afternoon, Thursday. Happy Monday. How are you doing? I hope you all had an excellent weekend. Today we're going to start our class with a tutorial, and I am presenting you Padlet. This is the name of a new web tool that we're going to start using, where we are going to share a lot of information. Sharing means that we are going to upload information and all the classroom will be able to see it, to read it, to comment, and to like also things. As you can see, there is a heart here where we can say if we like something. Yes, like in Instagram, for example. Well, can you check what is here? We have the name of our Padlet. It's our dinosaur wall. And as I have already mentioned, it is because now we can share what we learned about the dinosaurs. And we already have some information here. I think that David, the paleontologist, got into Padlet and included some information for you to read and check. Everything is about the iguanodon, the dinosaur she discovered. We all know that they lived in the Cretaceous period. They were herbivores, big and heavy. And here you have a video that you will be able to watch later. What I want you to pay attention to is how you're going to work with Padlet and how you're going to upload your information. We're going to go to this button. Yes? This button has a plus symbol. This means that we can add information to our dinosaur wall. So we are going to go here and we are going to click. When we click, a white rectangle appears. We have a title. We are going to write the name of the dinosaur. So when you get into Padlet, you're going to decide what you're going to write about. Let's imagine you looked for information about velociraptors. So you're going to write about them. There you are. And down below, you can continue writing. And you can say, for example, that they were very fast creatures. What else can we say? Do you remember something else about velociraptors? They were intelligent. Yes, and we can continue adding things. Yes, we can write 3 things about dinosaurs. Then you can go down below here and you can upload a picture. You're going to go to the 3 dots where it says more. You're going to go to the turquoise Google icon there, and on your right you will have the search part of Padlet. We're going to go to images of velociraptors. We're going to choose one, we click, and it appears automatically there. Yes, we can also, if we don't like it, we can remove. We can go again to Google one more time, and now we can look for a video. And we can choose one about velociraptors, and we click, and it immediately appears on your post. Yes? Okay. You can go again Okay, you can go again to the add button. You can click and you can continue adding things. You can remove if you don't like what you see. You go to the bin symbol and you click delete the post. Okay, I hope you all understood what we're going to work with, and later on I will post an activity that you will have to do in Padlet. Well, thank you very much. See you tomorrow on our Hangout session. Love you.